MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna make some baby potato, little potato, whatever it's called, with rosemary and garlic. I just crush my garlic like this and leave it with the skin on, and olive oil and salt and pepper. I'm gonna finish it off with some chives. So I am cutting these this way. Just cut them in two. The smaller one can go. That's it for now. I'm gonna put my olive oil. Lot of olive oil. Lot of oil. And I'm gonna add salt. I think that's enough salt. I'm gonna add pepper. I hope I have as much room to spread this thing out. Okay. I'm gonna add my rosemary. I need a little more oil. Make sure every surface have oil on it. And I just oh, good, that look already. It is so good. Okay, let's spread it out. Turn them over that they can brown on the cut side. Yes, there is room for everything. Oh, garlic didn't get any of the olive oil on it. You want these to. Olive oil is finished. I have to fill up back my bottle. Okay, just put them in between. Still get the flavor. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven. oven. To tap the bottom here. I'm gonna say 45 minutes. Or less. I'm gonna check it before. Okay, here is the finished product. I didn't show you when I was taking it out of the oven, but this is it. Rosemary garlic potato over roast. How good that is. Look, it tastes delicious. Try it out this weekend. And thanks for coming into my home. God bless you. Take care. Subscribe to my channel. And thank you for subscribing to my channel.